Hello everyone, it's Trupti from Fashion Moksha again. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circle skirt like this one. I purchased the fabric from Joann's. It's a very quick project, it will take an hour or so. Also have attached pictures at the end of the video, so make sure you stick till the end. That's it for the video. There are more videos coming up, so please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you have any feedback for me, please leave it in the comment sections below. Bye guys, see you in the next video soon.
To make the circle skirt, we need to calculate the radius. Consider this circle to be the waist. I'm going to take it as 28, and we know the formula C equal to 2 pi r. C being 28, the circumference, which is in this gonna be our waist. By this formula, we're gonna determine the radius. So that is C equal to 2 pi r, 28 equal to 2 pi r, pi being 22 by 7. So that's gonna be radius equal to 14 by 3.142, which is 4.5. First, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a circle skirt in this sheet of paper. You're going to fold it twice as shown. First lengthwise and then widthwise. And we're going to take the corner as the center. We have already calculated the radius. So from this point, we're going to mark the radius as shown. From the corner to all the way to make it a curve like so. And then this part is going to determine the length of the skirt. But while marking, we're going to take it from the corner, which is center in this case. So while determining the length of the skirt, make sure you add the radius length to it too. So for example, if the length you want is to be 20 inches, you're going to add the radius, which is going to be 4.5, that is 24.5 when marking from the center. If you want more flare near the waist, just make the curve deeper by 1/4 inch or so. So now your skirt is going to look something like this. Now let's start with the fabric. Make sure you fold it lengthwise and then widthwise like so. So there should be 4 layers of fabric. My fabric is 42 inches by 42 and my length of the skirt is 20 inches. I've already calculated the radius, which is 4.5. I'm going to mark the same in the fabric. And one more thing is, don't add any seam allowance to the waist, because we're not gonna have any seam allowance as it's a full circle skirt. So while measuring the radius, be very careful, because mine turned out a little big as I left 1 inch of seam allowance. Now I'm gonna mark the length of the skirt, which is 20. So from center it's gonna be 24.5. Before cutting, make sure there is 4 layers of fabric. After cutting, it should look something like this. And if you want to add a zipper, take 1 layer and cut it as shown, and you can add the zipper. As you can see in this, the waist looks a little big. That is because I added a seam allowance of 1 inch while marking the radius on the skirt. But as there is no seam, it added to the extra room in the waist. So make sure while marking the radius you don't add any seam allowance. So I'm going to stitch on the sides to make the waist smaller, and also I'm going to hem the bottom of the skirt like so. And for the waistband, I've taken a fabric of about 6 inches wide and length equal to your waist. Stitch the open end, fold it in half and iron it. Now it's time to attach to the skirt. With the raw edges facing towards each other and also the right sides facing each other, stitch the waistband to the skirt. And then your skirt is ready. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.